In the heart of Africa, there is a country the world once misunderstood. A land of quiet hills, heavy memories, and impossible resilience. A place that fell and chose to rise. This is Rwanda. They call it the land of 1,000 hills, but numbers don't capture the feeling, because Rwanda is not a flat land. It rises, it falls, it breathes. Every road curves like a story unfolding. Every hills hold a village. Every valley holds a life. Long before the world noticed, Rwanda was a kingdom, organized, structured, rooted in identity. A people connected by language, by land, and by rhyme. But history does not always move gently. Then came 1994. In just 100 days, hundreds of thousands of Rwandans were killed. Neighbors turned against neighbors. Streets and homes filled silence. The world looked away. It was a moment when time seemed to stop. But here is what makes Rwanda different. It did not stay broken. Instead of revenge, it chose rebuilding. Instead of division, it chose unity. A fragile decision, but powerful one, because healing is harder than hate. Today, Kigali feels different. Clean streets, order, discipline, no plastic bags, no chaos, just quiet ambition. A city not trying to be loud, but trying to be right. Beyond the city, Rwanda returns to the world. Volcanoes National Park, where the forests breathe mist, and mountains gorillas move like ancient guardians. Few places on earth still hold this magic, but Rwanda chose to protect it. Resilience is often misunderstood. People think it is loud, but in Rwanda, it is quiet. It lives in morning routines, in rebuilt homes, in children who laugh again, in a country that refuses to disappear. Some nations are known for their power, others for their pain, but Rwanda will be remembered for its choice. The choice to rise, the choice to rebuild, the choice to move forward without forgetting. And in the quiet hills of this small nation, you feel it. Strength without noise, hope without announcement. This is Rwanda.